Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, we've got something pretty special for you today. Normally, we'd be putting up a battle box video, but this month, we're going with Barrel and Blade. That's right, stay tuned after we roll that intro. This is a very first box from Barrel and Blade here in the shop. I haven't looked inside it yet. I'm excited to get in this one. So let's roll that intro, and here we go. So much for sticking with us. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Barrel and Blade, that's okay, because I think this is like box number 4, so they've been around a very short amount of time. Now, they are a monthly subscription box, and from my understanding, they have 2 levels. Inside this box is their top level. What I love, they have this motto: if we won't use it, we won't ship it. I honestly don't even know what's in here. The only thing I've done is cut the tape off the bottom. We're going to get into this right now. Yeah, I am really excited. This is my first box from them, and the first one's a big one. Okay, first impression? All right. Wow. So, like I said, they have 2 levels. Huh. Okay, there's the card. Now, unlike BattleBox, there is no mission card. This is just what comes in the box. So, let's take a look. Yeah, what do we got here? Looks like first item we're going to take a look at is an AK-47 micro tool. It's got an MSRP of $10. It says the micro tool is able to perform a variety of functions like carbon scraping, sight adjustments, and with a handy bottle opener. Dear God, seriously? No offense, guys, but why does everything have to have a frickin' bottle opener recently? You get a keychain bottle opener, you get a small micro tool bottle opener, you frickin' get a paracord bracelet, there's gotta be a frickin' bottle opener on there. Look, I get it. I love my booze like the next person. I've got plenty of bottle openers, but that's just me. So, there it is, your little micro tool. And there's the back, which is going to tell you all the fun stuff on there. Looks like it's a 10-in-1 little thing that attaches right to a keychain or something. Yep, keyring with snap. Yeah, my God, seriously, stop with the damn bottle openers. Alright. Now let's see if we can find the next one. Oh, are you kidding me? Holy friggin' crap. Alright. Oh, we'll get to that in a moment. What the heck? Alright, well let's just, well, heck with it. Says this is a Seiko face mask. MSRP of $20. Hopefully you can see that on the back pretty well. Says face shield, tubular bandanas offer style, sun protection without weighing you down. Lightweight, comfortable, wick away moisture, dry quickly and breathable. Yeah, it's kind of what I thought it might be. Alright. The only way I can put it is it reminds me of a buff from Survivor. You know, pretty easily put on, over the head, around the neck, kind of pull up. But that's item number 2. Alright. We'll get through this all, don't worry, we're going a little out of order. Now, next up, this says is an AR-15 tool. MSRP of $80. This folding X-frame tool is clad with G10 grip plates and is the most capable partner made for the AR-15. Packed with precision-made, multi-specific tools. I swear to God, one of these days I'm going to be able to talk. But that's what it looks like on the outside. There's all the fun stuff on the back. Let's open her up and take a look. Okay, looks like there's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, well, the usual, here's about our products. Your instructions. Front and back. They give you a sticker. Now, here we go. Alright, first impressions on the pouch. That's great. It looks okay. It's got MOLLE compatibility. I do like the snap enclosure. And there's your MOLLE on the back. Open it up, and you see like your screwdrivers and whatnot and your bits. But holy crap. Look at this thing. Kind of friggin' huge, and I will tell you, it is beefy. It's got a weight to it. Part of this kind of reminds me of a Gerber center drive. But we're going to do a more in-depth review on this later, as I get into it more and learn about it, because honestly I've never heard of Real Avid. But that's okay. Now, next item up is called the Gunboss AR-15. No other cleaning kit is more comprehensive or cleans your AR-15 faster, easier, and more thoroughly. This rod-based system is compact and travels wherever you go. Alright, so I get the premise. Kind of looks like some stuff I had when I was in the in the military. You know, with the cleaning rods that you put down the bore. And you just back and forth and keep cleaning. Yeah, a lot of these parts look really, 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 really familiar. Yeah, so I'm kind of curious. Gonna use this at T-mode to open her up. I don't know why I just did that, because honestly, it kind of bugs the crap out of me when I see it in other people's vids. They're like, I'm gonna use this incredible knife by this company to open this up, manufacturer blade on this is whatever, and I'm like, dude, you're using a $300 folding blade to open a $20 item? Okay. First thing I noticed is you can see these little, you know, the little pads and whatnot that are supposed to be in this tube are open and rolling everywhere. But hey, that's okay. Nothing ever stores and comes as it's supposed to, right? Okay, yeah, it looks like a pretty good system, just taking a look at it. You know, you've got everything you need to get in there, clean out carbon and do stuff. Comes with some patches, comes with another sticker. Comes with yet another catalog. And, you know, if you didn't know exactly what to do, it comes with your instructions. But that's okay. I personally don't have a use for this yet, seeing how I don't have a rifle in the house. But I'm hoping to rectify that very shortly. I do like the fact that this thing, you can pretty much pack it up in its small little kit, and it comes up nice and really cool. That is kind of sweet. Alright, that's not too bad. Okay. So we're taking a look at that, And it looks like there is just one item left. Kind of disappointed there's not really a blade in this, but I guess you could consider the cutting implement on this a blade. It's alright. Wow. So, looks like this is a Nickstar AR chest rig. Includes 6 double AR magazine pouches with bungee retention straps, fully adjustable shoulder and waist straps, hydration bladder compatible, quick detach buckles, all the fun crap. Enough of my big old voice. Chest rig! Okay, I can deal with this. Seriously, I can deal with this. It's kind of cool. You know, for your hydration bladder back here. Where it goes all the way in the back. You've got Molly all up and down the back. You know, you've got your mag pouches. Okay, interesting. I'm going to have fun playing around with this later. But I do like this. Okay. So, looks like Barrel and Blade sent something kind of awesome. You know what, guys? I got to tell you, for my first Barrel and Blade box, I'm going to set all this up here in a little bit and take a look at it. Give you a quick overview, but if you ever want to do it, why don't you use that 10% off code right there. I like that. I will say, a little disappointed I didn't see a knife in this box. But that's okay. Got a chest rig. But hey, I'm going to set all this up. We're going to take a look at it, give it a quick run over, and, you know, we'll get to it. Okay, guys, thanks for staying with us as we got it all set up for a quick, you know, overview. I got to tell you, for my first real exposure to Barrel and Blade, I'm not super blown away, but I'm not underwhelmed. You know, I think there's some good items in here, like the chest rig I'm going to have fun messing around with. Honestly, like the little buff, I'm probably going to give to my kids. This AK-47 micro tool, I'm probably going to give it away. You know, the AR-15 tool, I'm going to have to get into it and take a little bit more of a look at it. Because to me, it's just like another little multi-tool. And I do like the kit. I will fully admit, I love the cleaning kit. Because I'm hoping to get an M4 here around tax time. You know, hint, 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 hint. You know, all that fun stuff. You know, I do like the fact that they gave... If I can find the dang thing. There we go. You know, friggin' code. I like that. You know, there you go. Use it. Sign up, use it. Get 10% off your first. You know, this is my first, I will admit. I'm going to re-up for probably a couple more and take a look. Compared to another company's box, I like this one better. Because this one, I think, has more uses than another company's at this point. But, you know, that's my viewpoint on this. I'd like to know what you guys think. So, leave your comments down below. You know, questions, complaints, whatever. I want to hear what you think. You know, as usual, if this is one of your first time watching one of my videos, thank you so much for giving me a little bit of your time. You should be seeing a company emblem popping up right over here. If you're not subscribed to us, go ahead. Please click on that. That'll bring you right to subscribe. Make sure you click on the bell icon. That way you do not miss a notification. Somewhere up and down here, you're going to see some videos popping up that YouTube is going to select from our catalog for you. Watch those. Let me know what you think. But that's it, guys. Barrel and Blade, January 2018. Thanks for watching.